Welcome to the NAPA Network, where we provide the insights and expertise you need to keep your customers' vehicles running smoothly. Today, we're talking about light-duty air filters and why they're essential for maintaining engine performance. Air filters are essential for keeping engines clear of dirt, dust, and debris. Now, over time, these particles can accumulate, reducing engine efficiency and impacting performance and fuel economy. NAPA air filters meet or exceed OE grade standards, delivering excellent filtration and airflow to ensure your customers' engines receive the clean air they need for peak performance. Now let's talk about some key features and benefits of our light-duty air filters. High-quality filtration medium captures harmful contaminants, which means it protects your customer's engine from wear and tear. Our filters are engineered for optimal airflow, promoting efficient combustion and improving fuel economy for your customer's vehicle. Durable construction ensures a long service life, reducing the need for frequent replacements. Easy installation designed to fit most passenger cars and light-duty trucks, making maintenance quick and hassle-free, keeping repair or replacement jobs efficient. Regularly replacing the engine's air filter is a simple, cost-effective way to keep customers' engines running smoothly. It's an easy check to add to your inspection process, ensuring customer vehicles stay in peak condition. A clean air filter boosts acceleration, extends engine life, and improves overall efficiency, helping save on fuel costs over time. Connect with your NAPA representative to find the right air filter that meets the demands of your business. Trust NAPA air filters to keep your customers' vehicles running smoothly.